And here's I'll show you how to get your 2024 Spotify Wrapped. Before following all steps, you have to update your Spotify app. So make sure to update your Spotify app from your App Store or Play Store, just like so. Now, go ahead and open Spotify app on your phone. And here, under Home section, you find here your 2024 Wrapped option. Just tap on that. And here, you will find your Spotify slider Wrapped. So this is my Spotify Wrapped. Now, you can also find Spotify Wrapped from this top menu of your Spotify. Just tap on Wrapped. Here you will find Your Wrapped, or you can tap on Your Wrapped. The same way, here you will find your Spotify Wrapped. Now I will show you another way to find Spotify Wrapped. In your Spotify app, if you don't see Your Wrapped option, then go to your browser. In your browser, search for Spotify Wrapped. Open 2024 Wrapped. And you directly jump into your Spotify Wrapped, just like so. So that's how we can do it. Thanks for watching.